try to make slime.
And make sure you
If it doesn't
subscribe and comment and leave
Throw
a
it
like
away.
and notifications.
Okay,
I'll give you a free gift card. It's all up in the comments.
Okay, my hair's very
I'll give you
messy.
a laptop.
No, we're both recording at the same time. Okay,
I'll give you a iPod, Apple 7.
This is
iPod, Apple 7. Hey, that's my slime.
well, it's like it actually is turning out a slime.
For real?
Yeah, it's very sticky. Actually, I swear, this is turning out a slime.
See, I told you.
This is how it looks like. It just looks. Oh,
I really didn't throw my own slime away because I just want to do that. Want to float very shake.
well, you're gonna.
We're gonna. You guys can see our faces, but just that our cameras are not good that well.
Let's see what it is. This is actually slime.
Yeah.
She actually made slime.
I'm a master at piece of slime.
Oh, wait, not that much. But I don't want to pick it up because I'm scared it will get stuck to me. And I might get a mess all over me like just now. So yeah. It's like turning out a slime in the car.
Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe and notifications. So first you're going to get a bottle and you're going to get shampoo. We're not going to use that much though because we're like almost out by now. But at least we have like, oh my god. Sorry guys, but that was a drop.
We need a container to put this in so I can use this.
Why?
So I could make a slime.
Now, we're going to put this blue thing in. Oh, it's too much. No,
Or should I make more slime in this one?
yeah. I'm not making more slime too.
What do you need? Just this or this?
That. A little bit. Or you could add a lot if you want.
That?
Like this? Yeah. That's what I use. And I use salt. We'll get some salt. Stand back, users. And get salt. You have to add like a tea. Not that kind of tea. You can't put that much in it. So you have to make slime and you need slime. Like trying to go
Shady, I swear this is actually slime. How much minutes has that been? On yours, look at mine's been only 4 minutes and it stopped recording.
Because I have space though.
I hope mine doesn't stop. Oh,
What could be on yours?
mine ain't gonna stop because I just now got my phone last night.
Wait, could be on yours?
And I don't listen.
And still making this one because my camera stopped.
See, this is how slime actually. Okay, this actually worked. So I hope you give a thumbs up and a subscribe
And notification.
And if you guys want to feel slime, make it with down or make it with shampoo.
I'll show you the ingredients.
Another shampoo.
So,
And
shampoo, this one, any kind. but not any kind, but only that one and this
like a
one.
tree stump. So
And
one
you
of
can
these
only
tree stumps
you have to only use these kind. You have to buy it at the store, not any
and
kind.
white rain.
You can't use any kind.
And yeah, bye. See you on the next video.